Hello everyone, myself is Nagarajan, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So in the last video of genetic algorithm, we discussed about some points regarding how to select a chromosome based on different methods. Right? So in this session, we are continuing the same operation of crossover and mutation method. So in the last video, we discussed about this thing, selection area, evaluate the fitness, then select parents. Now in this session, so similar way, we are going to discuss about reproduction area, crossover, mutation, and inversion. So what is crossover? Is the combined parts of parents' chromosomes to create a new one. Then mutation is the randomly invert one or more gene in chromosome. I will explain you how to do that crossover and mutation. So what is crossover? Is a recombination. A mating pair, that is each pair consists of two strings are selected at random from population. The crossover operation is used to create new solution from existing solutions. This operator exchanges the gene information from two parents. As a result, two offspring solutions are produced. So we are going to do crossover with the different methods. One is single point crossover, 2 point crossover, uniform crossover, multi-point crossover, then linear crossover. Single point crossover means we are going to cross over at particular point. For example, I am taking K. Here total number of genes value we are represented in terms of 8. Right? So consider this is first parent mentioned in red color, the second parent mentioning in the green color. Suppose I want to do the crossover in this position. So after single point crossover, see here 0 1 is as it is. The remaining portion of parent 1 swapped with the second parent. So that's why I am getting the offspring 1 look like this. Offspring means child. Similar way, if I cross over in the same point, the parent 2, 1 and 0 is as it is. This parent 1 gene swapped with the parent 2 gene. Now I am getting 1 0 as in parent 2 and remaining strings I am getting from parent 1. Is a single point crossover. I am mentioning single point means one particular array point near single point. Next one, 2 point crossover. 2 point crossover means we are taking the crossover point at two places. Here I am taking crossover point K1, another one is crossover point K2. So if I do the crossover operation, see here the first parent as red color 0 1, then if I cross over here, the offspring 1 I am getting as the first portion is the gene of parent 1, then second portion is the gene of parent 2, again parent 1. Similarly, offspring 2 contain the first part is from parent 2, the second part is from parent 1, again the third part is from parent 2. In the similar way, we are swapping the value depends upon the crossover point. Then multi-point crossover means we can do number of crossovers in this diagram, parent 1 and parent 2 with the different designs are here. For example, I am giving. So based on the positions, we can swap the segments, swapping and swap. Okay. So here K1, K2, K3 is there. So for first offspring, they take the property of first parent, then second one is from parent 2 and third one is from parent 1, then fourth one is parent 2. Similarly, offspring 2 contains the first segment for parent 2, second one is from parent 1, third one is from parent 2 and first final one is from parent 1. This is a multi-point crossover. Then uniform crossover is based on toss. If I got toss 0, I can swap the bits between parents 1 and 2. If I get 1 in the toss, I am not going to uh, do any operation. For example, in the first case, I am getting the toss value 1. So after crossover, I am not doing any operation. See here, offspring 1, offspring 2, as it is of parent 1 and parent 2. The second case, here I am getting 0. So I am swapping. See here, offspring 1 contain red color, that is the property of parent 2, and offspring 2 contain when I get a toss 0, that time the offspring 1 contains genes of parent 2 and offspring 2 contains the gene of parent 1. Similar way, third one also 0. That means the offspring 1 can taken the gene value of parent 2, offspring 2 taken the value of gene 1. Here 1 value I am getting, so there is no modification in the crossover. This is a method of uniform crossover. Right? Then another one is called uniform crossover with crossover mask. Here, so here each gene is created in the offspring by copying the corresponding gene from one or other parent chosen according to the random generated binary crossover mask of the same length as the chromosome. Where there is a 1 in the mask, the gene is copied from first parent. Where there is a 0 in the mask, the gene is copied from second parent. For example, this one is the example of parent 1 and parent 2 is the before crossover, and this one is the after crossover. When there is a 1 in the mask, the gene is copied from parent 1, else from parent 2. Right? If it is 1, then the first gene copied from parent 1, then parent 2 copied to offspring 2. If it is 0 in the mask, the gene is copied from parent 2, else from parent 1. Here 0 is there, so the offspring 1 getting the gene from parent 1, offspring 2 getting the gene from parent 1, the similar way. Next one is a linear crossover in real coded genetic algorithm, means instead of binary we are taking a linear equation. For example, child 1 is alpha x plus 1 minus alpha into y. So if I take alpha value 0.5, so these are the x and y value. By applying this value in this child 1 and child 2, we are getting some other offspring value. The next one is mutation operation. So introduction of new page features into the solution of string of the population to maintain the diversity in the population. So create one offspring from one parent. Right? By doing the concept of biological mutation is modeled artificially to bring a local change over the current solution. The types of mutation operation is bit flip mutation, random resetting, swap mutation, scramble mutation, then inverse mutation. Blip flip mutation is the first case. So here, see this string of binary number, I am taking this only one data 1. I am going to flip the value, that is 1 become 0. That is the bit flip mutation. I am changing the chromosome characteristic at this position only, single bit inversion. Then multi-bit inversion means a string of data of 1 and 0 I am taking. After mutation I am getting 0, 1. Similarly, in this position, single mutation is 1, that becomes 0. Random resetting means random value from the set of permissible values assigned to a randomly chosen gene. Here I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after mutation, I am getting the value of 1, 3, 3, 8, 5, 6. Next one, swap mutation. That is just interchanging, right? Using the numerical number, it's not a binary one. Suppose, for example, in this string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 0 is there. If I want to interchange from 2 and 6, we can do mutation. This is possible. So this is called a swap mutation. One case is in binary, 1 become 0, 0 become 1. Here, in terms of interchange, swap mutation. Then scramble mutation means we can take the total string of the value. Right? So the scramble mutation is also popular with permutation representation. In this, from the entire chromosome, a subset of genes is chosen and their values are scrambled or shuffled randomly. So this uh, string of value we can shuffle randomly. That is the scramble mutation. Then second case is inversion mutation, means just we reverse the values of set of string. Right? So select a subset of genes like a scramble mutation, but instead of shuffling the subset, we merely invert the entire string in the subset. So this things genetic algorithm is the selection of best one and discard the rest. That is the main thing of our genetic algorithm. So I'm going to explain the genetic algorithm with a example. You can easily understand how to do selection, how to do mutation, where we apply the Rowlett wheel operation. That we will discuss in the next video.